If you want to increase your Yescoin points or tokens, then you have to take this video really serious. As in this video, I am going to uncover the best strategies that can help you to increase your Yescoin tokens. Alright, so now let's head straight to the video. Now this is us videos today. If you enjoy this kind of videos, please give me a like and subscribe for more future content. On this one, we create lessons about cryptocurrency. So I make videos about airdrops, crypto projects, and networks. All right. So if you want this kind of content, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, just check the description down below. You see my Telegram link. Just join my Telegram channel as I give back-to-back update and news. Right. So now the first option I'm going to talk about is the boost section. So all you have to do is just to click on the boost section. Now you see we have the full recovery and we have the chest. Okay, if you know this, don't be in a hurry to quit this video because there is one part of the video that is going to shock you more. All right, so now at the full recovery, it is going to help you to fill your power gauge very fast so that you can tap more or you can swipe more. You understand? Yes, when you go back, you also have the chest. Okay, the chest is a kind of a mystery box there. You click on it, you can swipe ×2 of the one you already have. Okay, so let's say when you swap one, you get 10. You are going to get 20 when you swap the mystery box coins. You understand? So that is the first part of the video. Use your recovery, use your chest. Okay, and you have 3 times per day. So every day, make sure you use all the 3 of the full recovery and also the chest. Okay, so the third I'm going to talk about is the Yes Pack. Okay, that is the bot. Now, if you buy the 500k bot and you are using, then please, it's not advisable. Make sure you buy the 1 million bot. Okay, because with that one, even if you are not in your app, that bot can mine for 2 hours for you. For the 500k, the bot will not mine if you are not in the app. So buy the 1 million coins to help you gather some coins even if you are offline. You understand? Okay, so now back here, let me show you the last one that's going to shock you more. You see that when you come to this bot, okay, this Yescoin bot, what happens is that every day they are going to give you some bonus. Okay, that is daily bonus. All right, so now when I click at the end section, all right, you can see we have the daily crypto learning task, which is this one, right? Yes, so when I click on it right now, got it. When I scroll down, you can see we have the 8 to claim, which is this one. All right, now they are saying we have 1k to 40k. That's what we can get, right? So what can we do to get a higher? Because sometimes when you use the free one, you are not going to get a lot of the coins. They will give you like 3k, 4k. What about if you want like 20k, 30k of the coins? All right, that is what I'm going to show you now. Now it is not free. It is going to cost you like $3. So if you're in Ghana, it's just like less than 50 cedis, right? Yes, that's the only amount it's going to cost you, and you are not going to use it once. You are going to use it like the rest of the streak, I mean the big days or the daily task. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to show you now. So you should be having a ton wallet. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the Ton Keeper wallet. So if you want me to create a video on how to create a Ton Keeper wallet, then just write it at the description down below and I'm going to create that video for you. But if you already have your Ton Keeper wallet, then you are good to go. All right, so now all you have to do is just click on the claim button, and you can see we have 2 sections over here. We have this and you have this, and if you check this, it says you can get 1k to 2k when you click on that, and it is free. It is not going to cost you anything. But when you choose this one, I'm going to get like 20k to 40k of the Yes coins, and it is going to cost you like 0.08. That's what it's going to cost you. So you have to buy USDT and then convert it or swap it to Ton token so that you can use it. You understand? So you are only going to be charged with 0.00. Okay, it is only going to help to increase the transactions on the Ton blockchain. All right, that will help increase the price of the Ton ton token, right? So that is why they are implementing this. So all you have to do is just click on what you want to choose. So I am going to choose this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on claim. All right, so confirm the transaction. I'll be taken to my ton keeper wallet. So now, as you can see, call contract, and they are going to charge 0.008 ton, which is approximately 0.05 cents. That means not even up to 50 cents. Okay, not even $1 you can do like 5 transactions or like 10 transactions. All right, more than 10. Okay, and you are going to, they are even going to give you some of the ton. Okay, you are going to receive 0.0036. That means you are going to pay 0.05 and they are going to give you 0.02. Basically that means you are going to spend only 0.03. You understand? So you are not going to spend any money. It's just for gas fee. All right, that will help increase the transactions on the ton blockchain. That is all. You understand? That is all. So you just have to swipe it to this section to the right to show that you approve the transaction. So use your fingerprint if you have activated that. As you can see, lucky reward, I have gotten 37k. 37k. All right, so that is it. I'm just going to click done, and that's all. So I'm waiting for the big man, which is the big day over here, which is tomorrow. So 30k to 6 million. So imagine a free user can get 30k. How much more the person who is using gas fee? All right, so the person can get like 1 million to 6 million. So I'm waiting for tomorrow to grab like 1 million to 6 million of the Yescoin token. All right, so please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. Also subscribe for more content. Join my Telegram channel, okay, because I give back to back info, back to back crypto news and update, back to back airdrop projects, and also back to back networks. So please join the Telegram channel. And also, if you want me to create a video on how to create a ton keeper wallet, then leave it at the description down below. I will create that video, sorry, at the comment section below. I'll create that video for you. All right, because you need that. But if you have Telegram's wallet, you can use it. For me, I prefer ton keeper. So that is it. So thank you, and let's meet in the next videos. Goodbye.